Hey everyone, I hope you guys like this video. It's kind of a convoluted mess. I do apologize for that. I wasn't going to post it, but I decided to kind of piece something together on this radium catch can. So with that said, enjoy. All right everyone, on today's episode we are going to install the radium catch can on the fl5 Type R. So, as I said, we are going to install the radium catch can on the fl5 Type R. Now, this is technically the kit for the fk8. So, I contacted Radium, said I wanted to give this a try. I bought it. They didn't just send it to me, so I purchased this. We're going to test it out and see if it fits. This is the PVC only catch can, which I should see no reason why it shouldn't work. If you get the crankcase one, based on how that's routed, I bet you that one won't work. But this one should work, so we're going to try it out right now. So we're going to open the box here. Sorry if my heater is getting getting some noise from the mics. There. Ooh, comes in a nicer box. I'm not gonna lie, I really like the quality of Radium Engineered stuff. Even this box is pretty freaking sweet. Sealed by Radium. Alright. Here's the actual catch can. The bracket. Oh, I like how they package that. It keeps it from getting scratched up. And all the fittings. And yeah, all the fittings. And the hoses. One thing I don't see is instructions. Now, with that said, it does have this card in here that sends you to the link. With that said, QR code would be awesome. Do that. It would send you right to the link on their website, but I can look it up, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So one thing I want to say right now is this is not going to be an installation video. I'm just checking to see if this thing works. Based on the installation instructions and the overall architecture of the engine, it should be the same. Based on where this bracket goes, it looks the same to me as it did on the fk8. I installed the same catch can on my fk8 when I had it, so I'm hoping that it works. So we're going to do that. So one thing I would say is this car doesn't really need this right now. It's winter. It's pretty much not going to be driven, but I'm doing this because it's winter and I need something to do. All right, let's try this again. So one thing I would say about these is these catch cans are, one, the quality is just phenomenal, but these little things are pretty dang brilliant because they're all supposed to go this way. You get it tight, and then this little nut just kind of comes loose and put in the right direction, or in this case I'm going to turn it that way, flip this back on, turn it the correct way, boom, and we'll start tightening it down. Alright everyone, the catch can is on. Let me just grab a light here. One thing I would say, and I'm going to send this to Radium just so that they can see it. It does work. It mounts the exact same way as I thought before. The only issue I can see is this fuel hose right here that kind of butts up against it. I can't remember if anyone has an fk8 that can take a picture of their catch can that maybe have this and see if theirs bumps up against that, but that's really the only issue I see with this catch can on the fl5. So I'll send this off to them, see what they have to say. I mean, knowing Radium, they'll probably redesign it completely, but it was worth a shot because since that hose is in the way and that is fuel, don't know if you want anything rubbing up against that. So I'm gonna leave it on for now as the car is not being driven. But yeah, that's it for today. Enjoy. Have a good night. All right, everyone. Just a heads up on the few weeks later. I ordered some different parts for the catch cam, and the reason being is on the new catch cam they give these new style 90-degree bends, and I do not like how they look. I think they're, I don't know, they look cheaper to me. They've got like this cap that just kind of goes around the hose, and the hose was a pain in the butt to even get up high enough. That's my own fault. I didn't put enough silicone lube on there to get them up, but I just don't like these. I just don't like how they look. So I got a hold of Radium, and because those aren't the same as what was on my fk8. So I got a hold of Radium, and they sent me the link to the ones that came on my fk8 originally. They have like the nut on both sides, so it looks a lot better. It'll have a lot better of a finish. So I reordered those. I think I ordered some hose too. Yeah, some more hose just to redo those if I can't get the hoses off. But yeah, so I'm gonna update that right now.